Hello, once again, Oscar. Okay, today again small learning. My first video for education for out of program helmet. Sorry. And first, let's go for design. First, we go frame and add frame. And I need rectangle and I need a page header. Oh yeah, that's right, that's right. Okay, now I get text. Text is going up. Text menu. I'm guessing it's very big. And I get this one. Oh yes, very nice, super nice. Right. And I need. Okay, I need this arrow. Go to this menu and I click this menu. Menu is red. I need to red. And I out the arrow. This menu is black. Same. This I need it. So how do it? It's very simple. Login go. And this one's home. And add a component. Right. And add variant. Okay, good. That's it. Magic. Click. Go very, it's very simple, very simple. Follow that. Great. Okay, now I need go prototype and interaction. Nice. And one with prototype is done. So I need and I need right, nice. And again click and again add menu and that same thing. Done. Do it. Okay, now I go. This need menu and go assets and I need menu. Right. Okay, very nice. Okay. Now we go. Preview. Okay, okay. Yes, this menu on look that magic. Boom! Done. Man, done. Now again, it's nice. Again. Okay, that's simple. Now I copy it. 3, 1, 2, right. 1, 2, good. Sorry, not good. Okay. Now I need change name. I change category. Don't think about my English. Okay. My first video. Category. About. Okay, done. Okay, now right. Go preview. Okay, that's 3 how. Let's see. Go and click. Wow, that's magic. Wow, that's again about. That's great. And menu. That's great. Okay, tutorial finished. So thank you very much for watching this video.